Hello, welcome to the third part of this crochet tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will try to make a baby headband in order to practice how to make a single crochet stitch. We will first start by making a chain . We will be making 80 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You keep working until you reach 80 chains. I decided to do a baby headband because it's the easiest way to practice working on a single crochet stitch. Even if you don't have a baby right now, you can work on this project. It's easy. It will only take you a few minutes, or if you're an absolute beginner, it may take longer. If you have a friend, you can give it as a gift, or you can even make one for yourself. Me personally, I'm sending this as a gift. I'm going to work on a baby headband, a baby beanie, and a baby booties for my friend's newborn baby girl. And of course, I'm going to share all of these videos with you on my channel, so stay tuned. We keep working until we finish the 80 chains. Now we start with the first row of single stitches. You add one chain, you skip the first chain, insert your hook in the second, yarn over, and pull through. The same way you've learned in the previous videos how to make a single stitch, and we keep working until we finish the 80 crochet or the 80 chains all at once. I don't know about you, but I find crochet a very easy hobby to take on. A lot of people find it difficult, not how to crochet in particular, but how to keep count. When you work on bigger projects, you'll have each row has a different count, and usually people get or make a lot of mistakes. Well, my tip for you is to always check before you finish any row and start the second row. Here we're starting the second row the same way. We make one chain, skip the first stitch, and work in the second. This is the end of the second row. The final single stitches. This is the final one. This is the third row. We make one chain, skip the first stitch, and insert the hook in the second, single crochet all the way through. Now we've finished the third row and we're starting the fourth row. We make one chain, skip the first stitch and work with the second, and we keep making single crochet stitches all around. Until we finish the whole row. Now this is the last single stitch in the fourth row. We turn over the work, we make one chain, skip the first stitch, insert the hook in the second, and start working on the fifth row. This is the easiest way to practice how to single stitch or how to make a single crochet stitch. Baby headbands are small projects and they are very easy. And with crochet, I always tell my students that you need to practice. First, you'll find difficulty with controlling the tension of your yarn or holding your hook the right way or making even stitches. One may look very tight and one may look very loose. This can improve with practice, so you need to practice a lot of crochet. The good thing about crochet is that you can do it while watching TV. If you're like me, you like watching movies, or for me personally, I like watching anime. Taking on a hobby like a crochet helps calm my nerve while watching my favorite anime shows. I've stopped doing crochet for a whole year after I got married, and I'm just getting started to crochet or getting back to crochet now, and I already feel the difference. It's a very, very calming experience and hobby, and I love it very much. Now we've arrived at the end of the fifth row, and it's the final row. 79, 80 single crochets. Now it's time to end the work. You make one final chain, you pull the yarn, and be careful not to cut the one that you need. And now you pull your yarn to make or to tie the knot. The reason why I've left a long thread or a long piece of yarn at the end, because I'm going to stitch both ends to make a headband like this. Now we will be using a needle. You make sure that both ends correspond correctly, and you start sewing both ends together. Like this. Sorry, here I've made a mistake, but I'm trying to fix it. Again, we make another stitch and another one, and another one. This is how it will look like. Now we need to tie a knot at the end. And now we're done with the needle. I always try to make sure that both ends are tied tightly together. Later on, we'll try to hide these cords beneath the work. Now, this is the final work. This is a baby headband. In the next video, we will try to practice how to make a flower and decorate this headband. So see you in the next video. Bye!